Most people assume that burning belly fat requires intense workouts, loud cardio, or strict diets. But what if I told you that there's a completely silent exercise you can do right at home, without equipment, noise, or even sweating, and it tightens loose belly fat faster than crunches or planks? This one unique exercise targets the deepest layer of your core, a muscle called the transverse abdominis, which acts like a natural waist trainer inside your body. When strengthened properly, it pulls your stomach inward, tightening your waist and creating a flat, firm midsection naturally, even when you're just standing or sitting throughout the day. That's why models, athletes, and even celebrities secretly use this core activation technique instead of doing high-impact workouts. The best part? This exercise is completely silent, meaning you can do it in bed while watching TV at work or even while talking to someone and no one will even notice. No crunches, no jumping, no pressure on your neck or lower back. This is especially effective for post-pregnancy belly, desk job bloating, or stubborn lower belly pooch. It doesn't just tighten the stomach, it reshapes your core from the inside. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do this one powerful silent exercise at home. But first, let me explain how it works and why it's so effective. The secret behind this silent belly tightening exercise lies in deep core engagement. Unlike normal ab workouts like crunches or sit-ups that target only the surface layer of your abs, this technique activates your internal corset muscle, the transverse abdominis. When this muscle contracts, it acts like a built-in waist trainer, pulling your stomach inward and upward, giving you a flatter midsection instantly. This same muscle supports your spine, improves posture, and even helps with digestion and breathing. The exercise we're talking about is called the stomach vacuum, an old-school move used by fitness legends to sculpt a smaller waist naturally. It's called silent because you don't move or make noise. You simply control your breath and core from within. It's one of the safest, most effective methods to tighten loose skin and reduce belly protrusion, especially for people who can't do traditional exercises due to back pain, age, or mobility issues. Science shows that consistent practice of the stomach vacuum can reduce waist size by up to 2 inches in a few weeks, without heavy workouts or dieting. It's not about burning fat through cardio. It's about training your stomach to stay flat automatically. Once you understand how to properly activate this deep muscle, you'll realize that your core strength and flatness come from internal control, not endless crunches. Let's now learn step by step how to perform this silent belly tightening exercise correctly for the best results. Let's now learn how to do the stomach vacuum correctly, because the results depend entirely on perfect form, not speed or force. Start by lying down on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Place your hands on your lower stomach just to feel the movement. Now take a deep inhale through your nose, expanding your belly. Then slowly exhale all the air out, emptying your lungs completely. The moment your lungs are empty, gently pull your belly button inward and upward, as if you're trying to make your stomach disappear into your spine. Remember, you are not holding your breath forcefully. You are holding a muscle contraction, while taking tiny controlled sips of air if needed. Do not raise your chest, do not tighten your upper abs, only the deep lower belly should activate. Hold this inward contraction for 10 to 15 seconds, then relax for 5 seconds. Repeat this 5 times daily. If you feel your lower belly muscles burning from inside, congratulations, that's exactly the deep core activation we want. You can do this exercise in silence anytime, even in bed or before sleep. No noise, no movement, yet more powerful than 100 crunches. Once you master it lying down, I'll show you how to progress it to standing, sitting, and even while walking for 10x faster results. Once you are comfortable doing the stomach vacuum while lying down, it's time to level up for faster results. The next step is performing it in a standing position, which activates your deep core even more because your body has to support itself against gravity. Stand straight with your feet hip-width apart, slightly bend your knees, and place your hands on your hips or thighs for support. Take a deep breath in, then exhale all the air out just like before. Now pull your belly inward and upward, imagining your stomach is trying to stick to your spine. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds, breathing in soft, tiny sips if needed. Stay relaxed, no facial tension. This variation slims your waistline extremely fast, especially lower belly and love handle area. You can do it while brushing your teeth, cooking, watching TV, or even during a phone call, completely silent and invisible to others. This is the secret technique models use to train their core to stay flat naturally throughout the day. Over time, your body automatically starts holding a tighter posture. No more stomach hanging out when you stand or sit. Once this becomes easy, you can even do it while walking slowly, which turns your entire day into a passive fat-burning session. No sweat, no noise, just smart core activation. If you stay consistent with this silent exercise, just 1 to 2 minutes daily, your core will start to naturally hold itself tighter even when you're not exercising. Within the first 5 to 7 days, you'll notice your lower belly doesn't stick out as much. Your posture improves, and your waist starts feeling more controlled. In 2 to 3 weeks, many people experience a visible reduction in waist size, less bloating, and a toned, pulled-in abdomen, all without heavy workouts or dieting. This exercise doesn't just burn fat, it reprograms your body to stay flat automatically, which is the real secret behind long-term results. Perfect for busy people, beginners, moms after pregnancy, or anyone who wants a flat stomach without stress. No noise, no jumping, no equipment, just controlled internal core activation. The beauty of this method is that it works anytime, anywhere, even while multitasking. If you make this a daily habit for even 30 days, your results will shock you, and you'll never go back to normal ab workouts again. Just imagine doing a completely silent 1-minute move in your room, and your stomach starts pulling in tighter every day, even while sitting, walking, or talking. No gym, no noise, no crunches, just real transformation through smart inner core training. If you want a 7-day silent belly tightening challenge or want me to send you a follow-along version, just comment yes. I'll guide you step by step to a visibly flatter waist in days, not months.